Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or block app permissions to access focus status on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on privacy and security. From here, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on focus. Next, it says here your focus status tells apps and people that you have notifications silenced. So in the list of apps here, tap on the toggle button right next to the app that you want to allow or block the app from accessing the focus status data. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.